Trying to get him in.
Oh, Lord Jesus. I just been doing that all day.
Zeke, it's on you. It's on you. Go ahead, do your thing. Okay, Mr. Dougie. Mr. Dougie himself. Come on, man.
Come on now.
Show me how it's done, man.
Show a little something.
Wait, what are you worried to
The Dougie.
Dougie, you told me to come over here. Dougie.
I was telling you the Dougie like he was doing.
Dougie. Dougie.
Oh, Dougie.
Come on, Dougie, what you doing? Come on.
Come on, Ice Man.
Let's Dougie. Come on, let's Dougie. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Dougie. Yeah, Dougie. Come on.
Hey, you know how to Dougie go.
Dougie. Come on, Dougie.
Isaac, I'm waiting on you.
I can't.
Can't do it. Can't drop. Reject.
Come on, EJ Dougie.
Don't be shy.
Hey, Lil Will will do it. Go on and get Dougie for me, Lil Will. Hey, come out of hey, y'all can't go get no soda out of there. Don't do that no more. Kyle, get back over here. We got water over there.
Yeah. Come on. Uh-oh, look at that. Uh-oh.
Can't do that.
He's a dancing machine.
No, Daniel, do it.
Oh.
Yeah, do the B-boy, Daniel.
Oh. Watch out, Mom.
Watch out. Watch it.
Oh, snap.
Oh!
I messed up on that one. Slipped. Mom, what is this? What are you doing, Mom?